What is risk? How do we define risk? How much you invested in your personal goals in last 1 year? Go to an approximate number. Less than 5% of my annual income, 5 to 10% of my annual income, 10 to 15%, 15 to 20, 20 to 25. If you have more, then also you can write it down. In last 1 year, how many new skills have you learned? Those who don't invest in themselves, they actually don't believe in themselves. So that shows to me 53% people do not believe in themselves. In last 1 year, how many new skills have you learned? If you see this one, we are around how much? 1 to 2 ke beech mein 50%. That's good. I mean, that's a very good number. So I'll end with a story that what is risk and what is not a risk. There was this guy who was walking in a desert, okay, totally desolate, frustrated, and he was not getting anything. From far, he was only seeing there's a desert, and desert. Sand, and sand everywhere. He feels thirsty. He sees nothing. There's nothing anywhere. Only thirst, and he's like at the verge of dying. Then what will happen now? You're lost in a desert. You have nothing. And somewhere he sees there's a hut. Once he goes to the hut and he sees what he wants. I mean, when you're thirsty, what is the best thing you can get? You may not get excited by 1 crore rupees, but you can get excited by water. And he says there is a hand pump. And the moment he sees the hand pump and he tries it, says, when it's a dry hand pump, nothing is there. It is not even coming. Water is not coming. Then what to do? Then he says somewhere when he was just getting frustrated, he saw there was a bottle of water is there. And inside that there is the water. But then the moment he picked up the bottle, he saw there is a piece of paper below that bottle. And out of curiosity, he took out the paper. And that paper has something which he didn't like it. The paper said, take this bottle and put it in the hand pump. All right, that you have to prime it first. Then you'll get a lot of water. And after drinking the water, fill this bottle and keep it for the next passenger. Now he is really intense and what to do now? Shall I put this water? Shall I drink it? What if I put this bottle and nothing comes out? Possible? True or not? Let me try this. So he fills with faith and then he starts pumping. And what happens? This naturally doesn't come in first pump. He keeps pumping for almost 20 and he realizes, shit man, it seems I was being fooled. That last water bottle is also gone from my hand. Now what do I do? He keep pumping almost 40, 50, 60, 70. And somewhere the water starts coming. He started feeling that something is coming. And when something starts coming, he starts pumping more. And then all of a sudden, the huge water starts coming and he drinks and goes away. Now, what is the moral of the story? What I'm trying to say, folks? Many times we are not willing to invest. And I'm telling, don't invest on others. How about investing on yourself? Why are you so scared on investing on yourself? I've seen people, they invest on a lot of things.